Hey y'all, Chip here, no garage. We're just getting done with a nice little storm, so I thought I'd take a rock. That tropical storm Helene or Helene or shit, I don't know. Pants are falling down. Hold on. Well, anyway, yeah. Let me. I don't know if I can switch this around. Well, that's just dumb. I guess not. We got white trash, got a branch in it. Let me see if I can do this. Why can't I do this? We're still under a flood watch, but the rain let up for a second. And we're still got high winds. Here, let me switch around. I'm sure you've seen my short earlier today with the trees just a swaying. And just for context on how tall the trees are around here, they're tall. So this is all being done on my cell phone. No editing. Because I don't know how to on an iPhone. We did have a tree come down. I don't know, driveway's not terrible in this area. Oh, my pants keep falling down. I should have put a belt on before I decided to go for a walk down the driveway. I'm a little bouncy, I'm sorry. Still working on these new houses next door. Got a creek here. See, and this is why when I did my driveway in the last video, I built up this berm. Because these guys who were supposed to use silt fence around new construction didn't. And you can see, like right here, where water would run down and then it would get into my driveway here and would come across. So I built up this berm. However, down here some, it breached. Now the water that's in the driveway right now is coming from my property, from up there. It's all running down the driveway. You can see it running there. But look at this. This used to, I mean, and it still is in a way, run under the driveway. Because the lowest part of the driveway was right here, and I got a culvert under the driveway, as you can hear. Yeah, that is a lot of water that's moving right now, and it has a lot more to go, and we've got another flash flood watch going on right now. But right here is where it finally got over the driveway. It washed out my berm. And so now it's coming across. It was worse a little bit ago because we had a tree come down. I had to come down here and rescue my wife. But this, actually not the whole tree, just part of it. You can see up here where it broke off. And just destroyed the driveway. Oh God, I can't keep my pants up. So it doesn't help too, these guys are clearing. And thankfully they're taking out a lot of this bamboo, I think. I don't know what they're doing. Hopefully they're not clearing for another house. But, so I need to bring a motor grader home. Fix this. Out here to the road. Clouds going by. Road's all kind of fucked up. Anyway. So that's my update from tropical storm, I guess now. Helene? I don't know. What's this? Junk in my yard. Anyway. No intro, no outro. Because I have no power right now. Otherwise I'd have my other camera. Because I know I can put it on the computer and do that. I keep looking at the screen and I shouldn't. I should be looking at the camera over here. But I don't. Yeah. New video coming Tuesday. See ya.